Warm drinks like hot chocolate and coffee are great during the winter months. Even more popular this year are hot cocoa bombs. These chocolate-covered spoons are such a delicious and fun idea for stirring your hot chocolate and other beverages. Hot chocolate spoons are simple to make with just melted chocolate and sprinkles. I use white candy melts, holiday sprinkles, and clear spoons. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Melt the candy in a microwave-safe bowl. Dip the spoons into the chocolate and lay them on the paper. Now add the sprinkles. Continue dipping until all the spoons are covered in candy and sprinkles. Place the dipped spoons in the freezer to set. You can make these chocolate-covered spoons in no time at all. The candy will melt while you're stirring for a delicious chocolate infusion in your cup. They are a great addition to a jar of homemade hot chocolate or even to give in decorative cellophane bags on their own. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.